This desktop computer was assembled by someone else at home, maybe a little above 1 decade back. And I removed the case because I want to give it a thorough cleaning. A good computer, or rather it was one with plenty of ports behind it. I need this for my LMR SDR because LMR SDR needs a sound card. I tried using a sound card for my laptop but it didn't work. This one works intermittently, but then I thought of giving a good thorough cleaning for this because a lot of dust has, you can see the dust here, plenty of dust inside. So I thought of cleaning it. I bought this blower online and I hope that I'll be able to use it for cleaning this. I am doing it outside the home, so you'll have plenty of disturbance by vehicles going along the road. From the instruction manual, I find that it can be used as air blower or also as a vacuum cleaner. Oh, that's interesting. I didn't know that when I bought this. I'm going to use as a blower. First I have taken out this pouch. This pouch was attached here. Just turned and pull it out. Now I'll have to attach this blower piece here. And when I am using it as vacuum cleaner, this will be attached here for suction and the pouch will be attached here. That's how the manual shows. There is a trigger like mechanism here. So I am going to, you can see plenty of dust here. I'll see what happens. Oh, it's working fairly well. The loose dust has all come out. I have put an N95 mask before that so that it will not get into my nose. When I am putting it, the fan is rotating. Interesting. See? That's like turbine. Now I am going to do it for the other side. This side doesn't seem to have so much of dust. Inside of the desktop looks much better now. I'll see. I am removing the dust from the fan. It looks very clean now because all these portions were with plenty of dust. Now this looks as if new. You can do it only from outside, otherwise whole room will be full of dust. That's very interesting. So I have attached the pipe at a different place on the side with the dust bag here. So it will work as a vacuum cleaner now. Let us see. But doesn't have a brush for using as vacuum cleaner. Let me see. You can see that when I operate it, the bag gets bloated up. But I think a brush like adapter or something like that should be there. With this adapter, I don't know whether I'm missing something.